Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO K12x and let me show you how to remove Google account. At first, open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, mark the account that you want to remove, select more icon, and now just remove account. So if you really want to get rid of this account along with all the data connected with the account, mark remove, tap on OK. Provide your passcode or fingerprint, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already removed. Whenever you want to add account again, just go to users and accounts, mark add account, choose Google, and then provide your user ID or email number along with the password. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.